Welcome, Stanley! Hello, everyone. Welcome to a sort of unboxing. I have never done a video of this sort before, and I just decided to do something different now that I'm getting another model. As you probably could tell by what I did in the first second of the video, it is Stanley. Here it is. Alright. This isn't much packaging, but I can probably get it out. Actually, I may need to do this off camera. Here he is, Stanley. By the way, I got this particular version of Stanley because it has the pinwheel axles and I didn't have a model with pinwheel axles before this. So this is pretty nice to have. As you can, I guess, see, he's in pretty good condition. Face looks lovely. Has this thing at the back, which, again, I don't have a model yet that has that thing. Undercarriage says Stanley. 2012 is when this model was made. Wheels are pretty nice. And, let's get out some track. Alright, we've got the track. Two, little switch pieces. The pinwheel axles make a different sort of sound to any of my other models. And I quite like it, actually. It's rather nice. Something I didn't notice before is that the magnet was a bit faded on this model, but that's not really a problem. Also, I got this on eBay for a really low price. It's possible that the price was so low because because I guess there's, never mind. Whatever. All that matters is it was a really low price for such great condition. And let's back to the actual play part of this. I decided to add some track and bring Annie and Clarabelle out, just for the lulz, I guess. Works pretty well with them. And that's a great way to end. Goodbye.